Hello friends, today we are going to unbox this power cable like fast charging cable from Modicare. It can be used in all type of adapters. Let's see how it is. Very strong packing. This is the box content. Let's see the specification here. It is made in Haryana, made by Modicare, made for Modicare. Samir Modi signature. 3-in-1 fast charging cable having micro USB C type C connector with lightning port and micro USB type B port. It's 1.2 meter copper cable and other tangle free. Other specifications are written here. This price is 518, but for Modicare distributors or consultant it is 451. Now let's see the cable. Wow, build quality is just superb. बहुत ही बढ़िया बिल्ड क्वालिटी है. 1.2 मीटर इसका लेंथ है और अंदर कॉपर के वायर्स यूज़ कर दिए हैं. काफ़ी बड़ा, काफ़ी लंबा. ओ, if you are traveling in a train you can use this multi charger adapter, so you can charge other people mobile, your co-travelers mobile also. And let's see the type C port. Yeah, here it is. We can insert like this, and we can use it as a mobile stand also. This is designed to act as a mobile stand. You can keep it. आप इसको मोबाइल स्टैंड की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अब इसको मोबाइल स्टैंड की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ये देखिए मोबाइल चार्ज भी हो रहा है और यू कैन कीप इट लाइक दिस एज a stand. So it is a wonderful product worth buying. Thanks for watching and do subscribe. Thank you.